Don't pause the.
Let's join the screen.
Okay. Is it clear? Can you see me? Wait. Okay, you can see me. Hey guys. What up? Okay, Blue Magma here, and we were back with another video. And if you don't see, I have a special guest with me. If you don't know, you know, I'll show you what video he is from if you still don't recognize him. So keep looking at the camera, just like distract him on Venus. Okay,
He's just
okay, so
putting it and it says that you can't find it.
okay, so wait up. So hi.
So you can find it.
Okay, so if you don't recognize this guy right here, first look at the camera. He is from this video right here. He's from this video.
Oh, great, you're watching.
Okay, so he was from that video, and that video was yeah, we've changed since that video. Please get back here because it will just show your face so big. So